testing out Origami Owl. This girl right here on the cover of the magazine, she created this company when she was 14 years old, and now it is a huge company. They are so successful, and it's really cool because they have opportunity for you to just order your customized jewelry, or you can become part of the company and sell the jewelry to your friends and family, or make it into a full-time business. If you yourself are young, or if you have kids who are like 14, it's really cool. She started when she was 14, and now she's giving the opportunity to young kids to start working on their dreams really young too. So I wanted to show you guys what came in the box. So I ordered it, and within just a few days, actually, I think it was like 2 really fast shipping, I received my welcome package, and when you sign up, you get your welcome like little starter set, and then you also get credit. So I think it's if you spend $50, you get $100 of credit. If you spend $100, you get $250 in credit, and if you spend $150, and then there's one other one, a larger one. So I did the middle one, and I thought that would be enough, and you get a starter kit. So we're going to show you what that is next. So what comes in this set is just a little organizer. If you have a jewelry party, you get to bring this little organizer with you. That way, if you're like designing jewelry for your customers or your clients, then you have like, you can organize it like that. Then you also get this little charm, and it says designer. It's because you just signed up to start your business and become a designer. So that's the first charm that comes with your starter kit. And then the tweezers, okay, so you have that, you're good to go. And then also with the starter kit comes this little flyer here. It says, our mission to be a force for good, to love, to inspire, to motivate people of all ages to reach their dreams and empower them to make a difference in the lives of others. I thought this mission statement was really important and something I really aligned with. A coupon to create business cards. If you're going to be really serious about doing this as a full-time business, you can get a coupon for business cards. Then these lovely catalogs. So it just gives you some examples of different ways to style them, and then all of the different products and charms. So then, with my credit, I went shopping, which of course, who doesn't love shopping? And my goal was to design 3 necklaces. It came in this little box. I think they are so cute. On the back it says, you tell stories with words, we tell stories with jewelry. And I just thought that was so cute because I really did want to tell a story for my mom and for me and everything. So it's really a cool concept to be able to wear a piece of jewelry. And you see so many pieces of jewelry that have like names on it or birthstones, but this, you can include anything you love. It's perfect for your grandma, for your mom, for your kids, any ages. All of this is my selection, so they have hundreds of different options and different configurations for yourself. And on the website, they have this really cool thing called the Locket Builder, so you can kind of play around with it and see exactly how it's going to look online before it gets to your house, which I thought was amazing. Once you get to the Origami Owl website, you click on Locket Builder, where it takes you to where you can actually see your design. And then you can see all the different charms they have and also all the different lockets by clicking on the number 2 at the top. So there's 3 parts, the charms, the locket, and the chains. I like to start with a locket so I know how many charms to pick and what it's going to kind of look like. Then I like to go back to my charms. So there's a few ways you can find charms. You can search if you want something specific to see if they have that. You can also go down to the categories and see what they have there if you are kind of just open for whatever. If you want birthstones, they have those. But this is just how I created my mom's. I like going through all of the different categories and just seeing what resonates the most with me, what's really cute, because sometimes you don't exactly know what you're looking for, and every company has different charms. Like this I love you sign was perfect for me. I mean, the word love was cute, but my mom would always make that symbol for me as a kid, so I just thought that really resonated with our little relationship. If you accidentally add one that you don't like or you want to play around with it, there's this undo button and it just takes it right out. Once you have your locket exactly how you like it, I like to go to the third section and I play around with the different chains. So they have different gold, rose gold, and silver options, and you can just keep playing with it until you love it exactly how it is. Once you do, you click on your bag and it shows you every item that you've put on the locket builder, and then you just add everything to your cart and you're good to go. We got 3 sets of the mystery gift. I think it's because I ordered 3 necklaces. And so we have this little heart set, and I think it's so cute. The hearts fit into each other. I'm obsessed with that. This is a little heart with wings. And then we have a mama duck and then 2 little baby ducks. So adorable. I think I'm gonna put this in my mom's because she has 2 kids. And then we have this little thing here. I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with it, but super cute. Maybe like a keychain or something. And then we also got, I didn't open this because I don't want them to fall everywhere, but we also got 3 sets of the blue Stardust. So Stardust you can use as a little filler. It's so pretty and just sparkly. Okay, so that's the free gift that came, the mystery gift. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I ordered quite a few. The prices are really good actually, especially when you become a designer, because they sell them at wholesale prices. And on the website, they seem a little bit big, but I definitely didn't realize how small they would be. But I will 1000% say on the website, they look really cute, but they look so much better in person, like oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm first gonna do my mom's, and you can see the little clasp or the bracket there. So right here, there's a little finger indent. And there you see, look, that is how it looks right there without the little like charm, but I want to leave that on there. And I think that, so this is how it's settled down. I want to play with just like, I want the mama bear to be more straight, so I'm going to try to rearrange that. So now I have it how I like it. I just want to show you guys, so this thing comes with this like little T, and it just fits into this little like connector here. I'm gonna use these. It just slides right in to this little bottom part. So it's so easy to remove, and then you just snap it closed, and it's all magnetic. This one is my personal one, and here I put a camera, a little fox that's supposed to look like my dog, my car, and then my like blog, and my faith, and my boyfriend. And like obviously my boyfriend is not Glenda the Good Witch, but it just reminds me of the day that we met, and I think it's so cute. All of the important things in my life are in here, and so I put the chain on so I can wear it as a necklace, And then also I think that it would be cute because I may not wear it every single day. There's this little thing that I got in the free mystery gift, and I can just like put it on there and put it as a keychain, which I think I may do for days that I don't want to wear on my neck. I think this turned out so cute. Okay, there we go. And obviously you can change the length, but I think it is so cute. I still have a ton of charms left, so you can change them out or you can make multiple for yourself. There's so many possibilities. You can just do one charm. There's some people who just get a locket with one charm and that's it. But I wanted options. There's so many that I thought were so adorable and that I needed to have. My overall opinion is that the quality is amazing. Honestly, there's so much detail put into each little charm, and like every single charm by itself tells a story, and then when you get a collection of them, your whole story into one necklace. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really would recommend this company to anyone. I think it is such a sweet gift, especially for the holidays. Are you kidding? For any family member, I'm gonna make one for all of the females in my life. I hope that you like it. Here you go.
That is so cute.
It opens.
Wow.
Even if you're looking at it backwards. It has all the different charms that you love.
That is awesome. Thank you.
And you can also take this off if you
I like that.
wear it two different ways. But I put me and Josh's birthstones and also your birthstone.
Wife, cross, and flower. Aw.
And then this, it's kind of weird, but it's a mama duck with two ducklings.
Oh, that's so cute. I have to get my glasses.
I thought it was really personal.
I love it.
And you can always
Thank you.
change them out.
This is really cool.
It's cool, huh? I like it.
Yay! Is that I love you?
I got that I love you because it reminded me of when I was a kid.
I love you.
Honestly, to have something so personal around my neck, so close to my heart, or always just with me on my keychain is really special to me, and I think it's really special to a lot of people. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to get your own jewelry, I will put a link down below so you guys can shop for yourself or for anyone that you love. I hope this kind of gave you a rundown on what you get when you sign up as a designer and what comes in your starter kit, as well as I showed you guys a few different options for necklaces that you can make and I chose to make. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and we will see you next week. Bye guys!